Hey there guys, how's it going? My name's Anthony Smith and I am the head barista trainer at Roastology. And today I'm going to be doing a short brew video on our brand new special edition Coronation blend in celebration of our new king, King Charles. So this is a really interesting blend because it's the one that I took to the UK Barista Championships this year, and I think it's absolutely delicious. So I thought it was only fitting that we use this in celebration of the Coronation. The coffee itself is a 50-50 split of a washed Colombian from the Cencoic cooperative and a natural Ethiopian guji from the Oromia region of Ethiopia. It's absolutely delicious. It's got wonderful tasting notes of blackcurrant jam, doughnut, and a lovely grapefruit acidity. So we're going to brew this up, show you how I like to do it, and then hopefully you guys will enjoy it as much as I do. So the grinder that we're using for this coffee today is the brand new Rencilio Stile, and the grind size that we've got it on, if we're looking at it from the right hand side, is going to be on 6.3, which gives us a nice medium coarse grind setting for our brew. So I've already pre-wet my filter and I've got my water set to 94 degrees. The recipe that I'm going to be using is 28.5 grams of coffee to 420 grams of water. And we're going to get this brewed up in about 4.5 minutes. So, drop the coffee in, get it nice and level. And we're going to start with an initial pour of 60 grams. So with this initial pour, we're going to let this bloom for about 30 seconds, and then we're going to add a really big pour of 120 grams, and we're going to do that 3 times hereafter. And this is just the way that I found the coffee tastes its absolute best. Now we've got the water up to 180 grams, and if you notice the circular motion, all I'm trying to do there is wet as much coffee as evenly as possible to allow for a nice even extraction. And this should take between 45 seconds and a minute. So now for the second pour of 120 grams, and again we want to get the coffee as evenly wet as possible. The other thing that I've been doing with this brew is leaving the water to drain fully, so we've got a slightly drier bed at the end, but I've always found that this makes the coffee just taste incredible. And now we're just about to come up to the final pour, the last 120 grams. And what I'm going to do is split this last pour into 2 doses of 60 grams. And that is just to make sure we've got a nice even bed, and then on that final pour we can make sure that all the coffee is where it should be, nicely packed in the paper, so we've got a wonderful clean finish. Just on the final drawdown, I'm just going to give it a nice stir, just to make sure that bed is evenly distributed and evenly extracted. And now that that's finished, the best bit. those aromas are nice and bright in the cup. The acidity is there, the sweetness is there, There's a delightful balance. Nice aroma of the doughnut. Enjoy, guys. Thanks for joining me on this video. Delicious.